Yes, see that for the third question they are given the problem like this. So here don't confuse below 20. In the question itself it is given the ages they are taken from 18 years to 60 years. That is one type of survey of the policy holders. So they taken the age group from 18 to 60. So that here they are not given any class intervals, but below they are given. You have to change into the class intervals. How can you change this class intervals? See, yes. Again you have to change this table. Then only you can do the you can find the median number of policy holders. See that below 20 means from where they taken from 18 years to. So it will become 18 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 50, 40 to 45, okay, 45 to 50, okay, so 50 to 50, 18 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, okay, 30 to 35, 40 to 45, okay, 35 to 40 this is, then 40 to 45, 45 to 55, 55, 55 to 55 to it is 60. So this is 2, this is same 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 80, 92, 98 and 100. Okay. So this is the question. Yes, see that we have to solve this third one. So it is very important. So here it is given that in the question it is given the age group from 18 to 60. So starting is the classes also we have to change. See again is okay, is this is number of policy holders. See here it is starting from 18. Why? See the question. In question they are given they surveyed from 18 groups, 18 age group to 60. So that it will become 18 to 20. But this is below 25 means 20 to 25. Then this is 25 to 30. This is 30 to 35. This is 35 to 40. This is 40 to 45. Then 45 to 50. 50 to it is 50 to 55. Then it is 60 to 65. See that this is 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 80, 92 and 98. This is 100. So when we observing these frequencies, first conclude that the given this column, the numbers which are given in this column or frequencies are not. See, by seeing itself we can find. See, it is increasing. Frequencies are not like this. Okay, one by one increasing order is there. So that at last one big number is there. Okay, so by seeing this we can conclude that these are the cumulative frequencies. These are the cumulative frequencies. Okay, so here frequencies are not given. Frequencies are not given. So that we have to take the frequencies. How can we take? Less than how we will take? For this we will add this one. For this or this sum we will add this one. So cumulative frequencies how we will take means first 2. Then you will take 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. That is equal to 4. Next 24. These two. 24 minus 6. That is equal to how much? 24 minus 6. It is 18. Next 45 minus 24. 24. How much it is? 1, 2. 21. Then 78 minus 45. How much? This is 3. 33. 78, that is equal to 2. This is this 92 minus 80, 92 minus 80, that is equal to 8. This 98 minus 92 is equal to 6. This is 100 minus 98 is equal to 2. I hope that you understand. So by seeing we can find these are not frequencies. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, so here two important things are there. Here we need to construct class intervals again. Okay, after that here it is, here actually here they are given frequencies, but they are given cumulative frequency. How can you find means? See, this increasing order is there. So that's why we can find these are the cumulative frequencies. From this cumulative frequency we have to made frequencies. So how can made means? First two you have to take from this one to that one, subtract these two. Like this you have to subtract means you will get the frequencies. Okay. Now our table is ready. This is not a complete table. It is incomplete table. From this we are taking table once again. After arranging this table only we can find. So see that here what is the n value? It is 100. See that here 100 is there. That is the 100. From this n by 2 is equal to 50 by 2, 2 1 to 25. It is 25. Then what is the L value? How can you get the L value? First see the cumulative frequency. You can forget this. These are the frequencies. Among this, which one is the biggest? 33. So that this class become the median class and this value become L. So L is equal to 35. Then what is the CF? Exactly this. These are the frequencies. CF value you have to take from here or here? From here. Here for this. Exactly opposite. This will become CF is equal to 45. Then F is equal to highest frequency 33. Okay, and H is equal to, see what is the difference here? 5 is there, except in this remaining all are having 5 as the difference. So 5. Then median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Okay, into H. So what is the L here? 35. N by 2 is 25. CF is 45. F is 5. Oh, sorry. What is the F here? This is the F, 33. What is the H here? 5. So this is 35 plus 25 minus 45. How much it is? Minus 20. Minus 20 by 33 into 5. This is 35 minus plus into minus minus. 25 is 100 by 3. Okay. Now 35 minus 100, take the division by 3. 3 3 is 9. 1 0. 3 3 is 9.10. So 33.333 will come. You can take up to 1 decimal, 33. Now you have to subtract from 35. From 35 it is 35.3. It will become, what is 33? This is 7 and it is 4. That is 1.7. That is 1.7. Once again observe that. Observe that one. So one mistake was done. This is 89. 89. So from here all the values will change. 89 minus 78. That is 11. Next 92 minus 89. That is 3. Then 98 minus 92. That is 6. So 100 minus 98 is equal to 2. And again here one mistake was done. N is 100. 100 by 2, that is equal to 50. That is equal to 50. So this value become 50. Okay. So from here 35 plus 50 minus 45, how much? It is 5. Okay. So it is 5 by 33 into 5. This is 35 plus 25 by 33. Then 35 plus 25 divided by 33. That is 0 point. So 8 ja. 8 3 are 24. 8 3 are no 7 ja. 7 3 are 21. 7 3 are 21 to 23. This is 910. Now 6. 6 is 18. 6 is 18. 90. This is 190. Okay. 4 minus 3. 7 3 are 21. 21 plus 3. 23. So 5 ja. It is 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Plus 190. 5. 75. So this is 0.75. That is equal to 35.035. After adding it will become 35.75. So yes, this is the median. Okay, this is very important question. So you have to make the table again by taking this 18 up to 60, and here observe these are the cumulative frequencies. From that, like this, we will make the frequencies. After making frequencies only, you have to use the formula and find the median. Okay. Yes, see the fourth question. This is also defined question. Why I am saying like this means, while you are solving the problems from mode or median, first you have to check the class intervals. Whether it is inclusive means no problem. If they are exclusive means we have to construct the class intervals again. See, observe here 1118 to 126. 126 not there here. So when you are getting this type of 135, 136, difference is there. As we discussed in the introduction of this chapter, I told you, okay, the classes are two types. So now here, this type of classes, these are the limits and these are the boundaries. But we need the boundaries compulsory. Why? L value is the lower boundary of median class. So that again we have to construct. How to construct? As already I told you, there is 1 point difference, 1 number difference, that you have to make it half. Then you distribute to half to this one, half to this one. See how can we change this class intervals. Once again you have to construct the table. Class intervals, number of leaves. See that this will become 1 point reduced, means 117.5. This is same 126.5. Same 126.5 will come here. This 136.5. Next same 136.5 comes here. So and this will become 144.5. Okay. Next this will become 144.5. And this will become 153.5. Next this is 153.5 to 162.5. And this is 162.5 to 171.5. This is 171.5 to 180.5. Okay. Now see that there is no difference. Everything is clear. Okay. So here only you have to reduce 1. And take the 0.5, 117.5, 126.5, 135.5, 144.5, 154 is there, 153.5, 162.5, 161.5. Here same, but you have to add 0.5, 126.5 like that. Okay, that's it. Everything is same. So first you have to observe whether the given classes are inclusive or exclusive. Inclusive means no problem. Exclusive means you have to again change these limits into the boundaries like that. Okay. Then only you can start to find the median or mode also. So number of leaves 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Again we need to take the cumulative frequencies. This 3 plus 5, 8, 17, that is 29. 5, 34 plus 4, 38. That is equal to 38 plus 2, 40. Now our table is ready. Okay. Now tell me what is the n value? N is equal to 40, no? 40. This is implies n by 2 is equal to 40 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 20 ja, that is equal to 20. So to get the L value, lower boundary, see the highest frequency, 12 is the highest frequency. Then this will become L. So L is equal to 144.5. So if you take same, this means here L value will be changed. Here 145, but here it is 144.5. So our answer also will come a wrong answer. So that L is 144.5. So in this cumulative frequency, this is CF. CF is equal to 17. And here the highest frequency becomes F. F is equal to 12. Then H is equal to C. Here H difference is 8. But here difference comes 9. See that? See 126.5, 117.5. This is 0. This is how much? 15 minus 10? 9. 9.0 means it is 9. Okay. So here see 118, 126, 118, 16. This is 8 will come. Okay. So that's why you have to change. L value and H value will be effect if you do like this same as. So that's why we are changing to this type of classes. Okay. Now find the median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So what is the L here? 144.5. N by 2 is 20. CF is 17. F is 12. This is 9. Okay. So this is 3 3 ja, 3 4 ja. 144.5 plus 3 by 4 into 3. This is 144.5 plus 9 by 4. 9 by 4 divide. 4 2 is 8. So don't take the cross multiplication LCM method. It will be hard. So let it be. Leave this. Whatever you got after the plus, you have to change that into the decimal form. Then it will be easy. That is 1 is there. 0.0. 4 2 is 8. 2 5 is 20. So 144.5 plus 2.25. Now add this 144.4 and this is 2.25. This is 0. 5 7 6. 146.75 is the median of this data. Okay. So in this class we have discussed how many questions we have discussed? 4 questions we have discussed. Still in this exercise how many questions are there? In this question still only 2 questions are there. 3 questions are there. 3 5 6 7. You have to find the 5th one. This is same. Only these are the class intervals given and frequencies are given. Directly you can find. This is the 6th one. Only same classes are given and frequencies only given. You have to find that. No problem. Find the for this you have to determine median, mean and mode also. For 6th one you have to find 3, mean, median, mode. For the same table you have to find all 3, mean, median, mode. For the 7th one you have to find the median. It is enough. Okay. So this is also a normal problem. Only inclusive classes given, frequencies given. Okay. You can find. Okay. So now 14.4 exercise is there. That is completely graphs. So from this in this academic session, graphs from this chapter, graphs are deleted. Greater than cumulative frequency curve and less than cumulative frequency curve was there, but that syllabus removed from the syllabus. No need to learn that. So you have to solve that 5 6 7 problems and send in WhatsApp group. Okay. So by this problem we have finished this statistics chapter, and tomorrow we have to start a new chapter, that is surface areas and volumes. After that we have only one chapter, that is construction. Construction, here it is impossible. After school reopening we have to I will teach this lesson. Okay. Thank you students. I hope that you understand everything. Okay. First you solve all up to 4 questions. You also will solve. send. After sending this one, in the evening class, you have to solve 5, 6, 7 problem and send in the evening class. Understand? In this class, you have to send only up to 4th question. Okay, enough. Okay, thank you students. Have a nice day.